Today we're diving into the realm of personal finance with a face-off between two titans, Mint and Pocketguard, both renowned for budgeting and financial tracking. Let's explore their features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and possible alternative options. Let's take a quick look at these programs' main features. Mint features include comprehensive budgeting. Mint provides in-depth budgeting, categorizing transactions and setting financial goals. Credit score monitoring. Track your credit score seamlessly within the app. Bill reminders. Mint helps you stay on top of bills, avoiding late payments. Investment tracking. Monitor your investments and portfolios. Pocketguard features include simplified budgeting. Pocketguard streamlines budgeting, emphasizing simplicity. In-app purchases monitoring. Keep an eye on your subscriptions and recurring expenses. Smart savings goals. Set personalized savings goals based on your spending habits. Income categorization. Pocketguard intelligently categorizes income for a cleaner financial picture. Mint offers a free version supported by ads and a premium version at $16.99 a month, or $83.88 per year. Pocketguard's basic version is free, while a Pocketguard Plus subscription costs $3.99 per month or $34.99 per year. Mint offers a user-friendly interface with detailed charts and graphs, providing a comprehensive view of financial data. In contrast, Pocketguard prioritizes simplicity, offering a clean design for quick financial checks and making it an appealing choice for users seeking a more straightforward and streamlined user experience. Several alternatives to Mint and Pocketguard exist for budgeting and personal finance management. Notable options include Quicken Simplify, Monarch Money, Copilot Money, NerdWallet, and YNAB, each offering distinct features and user experiences to cater to diverse financial needs and preferences. Mint, a free app, offers comprehensive financial tracking, budgeting tools, and credit score monitoring, but it is ad-supported. On the other hand, Pocketguard, also free, emphasizes simplicity, making it user-friendly for quick financial checks, but it does lack some advanced features. Mint's established reputation and broader feature set make it the go-to for in-depth financial management, while Pocketguard's straightforward design caters to users seeking simplicity. Users must consider their preferences for features and user experience when choosing these two apps. Check out the links in the description to explore these apps farther. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy internet tips and explore our other videos. Thank you for watching.